Assalamu alaikum. You're welcome to this series. What are we here to do? Very simple. We are here to learn the points of origins, or if you like, you can say points of articulation of all the Arabic letters. That is where every or each letter originates from. Okay. So before we dive in, it's very important to know the number of letters itself, right? So that we know what we're getting into. So how many letters do we have? How many Arabic letters do we have? When we're talking about huruf al-hijaiyya, how many are they? How many are they? Now, I'm asking you. 28, 29, 30. Actually, these three opinions could actually be correct. So the number of letters can actually be 28, 29, or 30. When is it 30? Let's start with 30. It could be 30 if the arrangement is like this. So see this arrangement. So this is when we have alif written separately, hamza written separately almost at the end, and then lam alif is also present. So we have lam alif, hamza, ya, wasalam. You remember, right? Good. And then alif is in the beginning. So alif is written separately, hamza separately, lam alif separately. So here we're going to have the total number of letters to be 30. Simple. Good. When is it going to be 29 letters? You have the arrangement like this. So here we have lam alif to be absent. So alif and hamza are written separately, but then lam alif is what? Is absent. And we're going to explain that in a bit. And then the third opinion is if it is 28, then the arrangement is going to be like this. So in this arrangement, you are going to see that hamza is already written on alif, and so it is not separated. We don't have hamza at the end again because it has already been written on alif. Okay, so in this case, lam alif is not present, then alif and hamza is already together in the beginning. Okay, so which of the three opinions are we going for? We'll be going with the fact that the Arabic letters are 29. This is, mostly the correct opinion anyways, 29. Why are we going with 29? Because the 30 opinion is that lam alif is present, and we already know lam alif is actually just the combination of two letters. So we have lam plus alif gives you lam alif. So we already have alif, we already have lam present, so we don't really need it. Why are we not going with the 28 counting? This is because they added or they put alif and hamza together, and we would like to explain them differently. Do you understand? We like to explain them differently. So they already put them together. We might ask, why did they put them together in the 28 arrangement? This is because alif itself is considered to be a weak letter. It's not really a full letter because, it's a letter of elongation. Harful mad is a letter of elongation. It cannot of itself take a haraka. It cannot take fatha, kasra, dhamma. So which means this tells you that alif, fatiha, alif, kasra, alif, dhamma, is actually very wrong. There's nothing like that because alif cannot take fatha, kasra, or dhamma. It doesn't take vowel sign. Okay, so this is why one of the reasons why it's a weak letter. So they now said, okay, should we just leave it alone or just put hamza on it? Because when you put hamza on top of it, this allows it to take fatha, kasra, dhamma. So maybe it will make it more relevant like that. So something like that. That's one of the reasons why they arranged it that way. But we would like to explain their points of articulation differently, and that's why we're going with the 29 counting. So inshallah ta'ala, we are going to proceed on this. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy. Don't forget to share this with your friends so that they can follow this maybe page, and then they can see the next lessons and benefits from this series. Assalamu alaikum.